I'm Peter Sidwell, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these bad boys. Halloumi with a tinned peach salsa, all served up in a soft wheat taco. These you are going to want to cook. Right, let's make these tacos. So, we are going to make a beautiful salsa with using tinned peaches. The sweetness of the peaches goes incredibly well with the saltiness of the halloumi, okay? So, if we get our halloumi and just cut it out of the pack to begin with, now it's often got a bit of a brine in it, which I always find causes problems when you want to fry the cheese off. So, if you cut the cheese like into 1 centimetre slices and then just lay them out on a worktop, just clean tea towel, just dab them like that, turn them over and do the same again. That will just take that sort of layer of moisture off, and then we can just pop them onto a plate and then we will oil them up ready for the pan. So a little bit of olive oil on there, that's it. That is all halloumi cheese needs. It doesn't need any seasoning or anything like that because it's a little bit salty already. So I'll get my pan on. While that's happening, let's talk salsa, okay? So red onion. We're going to finely dice this red onion. So slice all the way, but leave a little bit there. Okay, so don't cut all the way through. And then leave that bit there that's connected and then just squeeze it together and just push your knife through. So I'm not chopping up and down, I'm just pushing the knife through and down. And that means I'll get a really nice fine dice. And it's important with salsas that everything's kind of chopped nice and small, especially the onions, because otherwise all you'll taste is onion. There we go, slice that way, and then push my knife through. There we go, get rid of that end piece. Right, this can all go into my glass bowl. Now, all good salsas need lime in them. Okay, so I'm going 2.5 limes, which sounds like a lot, but you need it. Squeeze the lime juice over the onions and then just turn them inside out and give them another squeeze again. You get a bit more juice out. There's always more lime juice in that lime. You just got to find it. And just turning it inside out afterwards helps. There we go. Almost there. The whole point is that this lime juice kind of pickles the red onions, takes that rawness away, but gives a real burst of acidity, which halloumi absolutely loves citrus. Right, I've got a red chilli here. All I'm going to do is remove the seeds, which there are not many today. That's good. And then we're just going to chop the chilli into matchsticks. So because we're using like peach in this, we can get away with heat because we've got sweetness and salty. So I like to use fresh red chilli in this, but you could just chuck a few chili flakes in if you want. That's no problem. Or a little bit of chili oil if you haven't got flakes. But fresh chili is nice. It's kind of got that fruitiness to it. And then get that in with the onions. And then we'll just give this a really good stir together. Get the red onions and the lime and the chilies all pickling together nicely. Okay. Push it down the sides. Okay. Time for our tinned peaches. Not a product that you would expect to be served up in a salsa, but we've done this before and it is really, really nice. Don't throw the juice away, okay? Because we want the juice to caramelize with the halloumi. So you kind of need to use a fork, just lift out your peaches. There we go. And then we're just going to chop. These almost kind of replace the tomatoes that you would be using in a salsa. And then all we're going to do is just chop them up nice and small. These are already sliced, so if you've got halves, just chop them up. Just spend some time, dice them really nice and fine. Now, if you're privileged enough to have lovely, sweet, fresh peaches, that's fine. Just cut them in half, remove the stone, and do exactly the same. But in the UK, peaches are not always great. In fact, very rarely are they really, really nice and sweet. And actually, tin peaches really, really work in this recipe. Right, that can go in. This salsa as well, it works really well with like pulled pork, amazing with bacon. Get yourself a nice double bacon chop and then grill it on the barbecue and serve it up with this. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely fantastic. Right, that is my caramelized, that's my peach juice, ready for when we get that halloumi on. Almost there. Right, just run it through a few times. You could also use nectarines as well if they're better in season, if you're not using tinned. Right, there we go. I've got some chopped spring onions here as well. They're going to go in. And then I've got some coriander, a little bit of stalk, a little bit of leaf. Just roll it up. You could also use mint as well. If you don't like coriander, and I fully appreciate some people just do not like it. It's not really I don't mind it. It's I like it or I don't like it. There's no in between for some reason. There we go. That is our salsa done. I mean, look how delicious and fresh that looks. That is going to be the perfect counterbalance to our halloumi. Right, time to cook our halloumi. So, we've got that little bit of olive oil on there. I've got a hot pan straight down. Now, don't forget, we dried this halloumi. And we did that for good reason. Okay? That's it. A little bit of oil in there. Just a touch more oil. Not a lot. That'll do. And then we're just going to colour our halloumi. That's it. Nice. You see, because we dried the outside of the halloumi, it means that it just sears nicely. Okay, and once we've got that good bit of colour on there, just push that to one side. We're going to add some of our peach syrup. Look how it's caramelising now. That's exactly what we want. We want that to boil down and caramelise. It's a bit like putting honey on halloumi, yeah? That salty, squeaky cheese with a bit of sweetness works really, really well. But why would we use honey when we've got the syrup? Okay? So, while that's just cooking down, I've got some lovely little soft tacos here. Pop these in ready. I've got a little taco holder, which is perfect for this. If you haven't got one, I wouldn't worry about it. Let's just check on our cheese. Looking good. Give it a little shake. You can always add a touch more as well if you want. Let's just boil that down. And then take your salsa. Just drain off any of that excess liquid. All right? And then just sit it there. And that's ready for our halloumi. And then just grab that halloumi cheese there. I'm just going to pop that one on there. So you've got two lovely pieces. This is just the most perfect kind of vegetarian barbecue recipe ever. It's so good. What I'm going to do is take a little bit of lime. I'm going to squeeze it in this pan. And now it's kind of fruity and it's tangy. And I'm just going to drizzle that over like so. And then it just needs that little bit more of our salsa. And there you go. That is how to make the most delicious halloumi tacos with a tinned peach salsa.